Hey guys, welcome to my first PC build video. This is actually my first time ever building a PC. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I just kind of had a huge admiration for people who build them, regularly, whether they build them to sell or they just build them just for fun or whatever it is. But I've always wanted to build myself one because I wanted to have one, whether it was for gaming, whether it was for video editing, whether it was for voiceover work, whatever have you. I just wanted to have one of my own. So after watching videos for maybe about a month and a half, getting inspiration from like YouTubers like Joey Delgado, I finally decided that I was confident enough to attempt it myself. So what you're seeing is just, kind of a time lapse of my first build. I didn't feel quite confident enough to do a full parts breakdown and go in, step by step, but, definitely want to show you guys a time lapse of me doing it. It took me probably about 6 hours total to get it done. This is with me taking breaks in there and stuff, and obviously trying to usher my 3-year-old out of the room because she was trying to come in and touch on the parts and stuff like that. But I was definitely having a good time. I'll put a description of the parts that I use down in the description too. I wanted to do kind of a middle of the road sort of build because it's my first build. I didn't feel confident buying all these expensive parts and going crazy, but I want to kind of start in the middle of the road just to, so I could have a PC that was good on performance, but also, something, that you could call a starter PC. As you can see, I'm kind of going through the notes and everything and kind of getting a lay of the land because I had never built a PC before, but I was interested to learn all the parts and and the way everything fits together and all that stuff. And after watching so many build guides, I felt really confident in getting it done. And shout out to the YouTuber Joey Delgado. He was a huge inspiration for me wanting to do my own build. And I actually have a little bit of a nod to him in this build video where I put a Funko Pop in my build. So this is me kind of testing out the case and everything. I wanted to make sure that everything lined up correctly. I'm kind of looking to see how the motherboard is going to go in and what it's going to look like when it does go in, and kind of making sure that I have all my screws from my standoffs and everything. And if you look on the left side of the frame, you can see the Funko Pop that I put in there. I didn't go as detailed as Joey, like with the color, combinations and everything, but I did just grab a Funko to toss in there. That's Wally West that's Kid Flash from the Flash TV show. I was really nervous about building this first PC. I probably wouldn't have been as nervous if I didn't record it on video, but I also wanted to record it on video because I wanted to, have some content for my channel, and I also wanted to document my first ever build. I felt confident going into it. As I was accumulating the parts and stuff, I was buying it kind of piece by piece to figure out what I wanted to do. I use PC Part Picker, the website, because they definitely have the system to help you break down what's compatible with what and kind of give you pricing and availability on a lot of parts. So I use PC Part Picker to kind of help pick out my parts and get everything set up. But as you can see right here, I'm getting all my standoffs in place and getting ready to install the motherboard. The motherboard I used was a MSI B550 motherboard. It comes with the pre-installed IO shield on that one, so it just slides right in. Put all your screws in place. You see my daughter's head pop in. She kind of pops in the room a little bit there. Just wanted to see what Daddy was up to and, get her a little camera time. She actually came in a whole lot more than what you see there, but I edited the video way down so she wasn't all in the video. But here I am installing the motherboard, getting all that in place. Next time I do a build video, I want to, you know, actually get those camera angles so you can see me do the full build guide and see how I'm installing everything. So if, you know, in case somebody else sees it and wants to grab some inspiration, they'll be able to do that. Here's me trying to be very, very, very delicate with the screws and not wanting to break or snap anything. So as it was coming together, I was feeling like it was looking really nice, and I was just getting more confident. This is me skipping to the cable management part of everything. Like, I wanted to do my best, you know, on all the PC build videos that I saw. Cable management was one of the things that everybody harped on. Cable management, cable management, cable management. So I wanted to make sure the front of my case looked good because I had the tempered glass. So I made sure to try to do my best to cable manage. You know, this being my first PC build, I didn't think I did too bad with the cable management. Just installed my Funko there. So about to wrap that thing up, put my back panel on, and give it a turn around, and there you go. Get the old peel of the sticker off. Ah, very nice, very relaxing. And then we go to first boot up. Everything lights up very nice. Get it put on the right input on the TV, and then you'll see. Boom. We've got action. Well, thanks for tuning in, everybody. This has been my first PC build guide. See you next time. Later.